Under guidance model, we are discussing about the topic called your dividend decision. What is the rate of return? It is 12%. P stands for, it is the price of the share. 1 minus 0.90, you will get 0.10 into 20, you will get 2 rupee. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your Adarsh sir here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are in the session 4 of your topic called Financial Management. Under Financial Management, we are discussing dividend decision. Hope you are clear? Yes. So, why I told you hope you are clear means we are still in dividend decision and we done with your Walters model and now we are doing your Gardens model. Now, under Gardens model, what we are discussing? Under Gardens model, we are discussing about the topic called your dividend decision. Now, your concept and problem both will discuss in today's session. And the following details are available in respect of the firm with the rate of return and the earning per share is rupees 20 using Gardens model. Determine the value of share using following assumptions. Now, dividend payout ratio, retention ratio, cost of equity, these are the informations we have. Now, in this, the major one, retention ratio, will be added to this. What is retention ratio? Now, dividend payout, retention and cost of equity. As per this, your dividend payout ratio 10%, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. As per Gardens model, we get retention also. What is retention? These are called as retentions. Now, along with that, we have cost of equity, all this. So, what is the value of equity? 20. What is the rate of return? It is 12%. Again, I'll come back to this. Rate of return 12% and your earning is 20. Then, after this, cost of equity, it is given. Then your retention, we call it as B. What is your retention? B. So we have 90%, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40 and 30. What is retention actually? See, you have out of 100%, 10% you have provided dividend. What is the balance? 90%. Out of 100, 20% you have given dividend, balance is 80, 30, 70. Minus 100, you will get your retention balance. So these are your formula. P. P stands for, it is the price of the share. E, 1 minus B, whole divided by cost of equity minus B into R. Remember, this must be in bracket where P is equal to price of the share, earning per ratio, retention ratio, ratio of return or rate of return, and the last one, cost of equity. Hope you are clear? Yes. So these are the informations we have in this. How to find out? I'll show you. These are your question. Yes. What are the dividend payout ratio? 10, 20, 30, 40. We'll take only 4. Later we'll come for these 3. I don't have space here. That's why up to 40 I have done. What you're supposed to do? After 40, 50, 60, 70. Clear? See, up to 40 I have done. 50, 60, 70 here I have done. You can do continuation. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. In a single row, you can do all 7 calculations. Now, as per this, first come to what? 10%. What is the retention? 90%. What is the cost? 20. Your formula is what? E, 1 minus B. E, 1 minus B. Whole divided by cost of equity minus See, cost of equity minus B into R. This is your formula. Now, your formula is done. Now, what is the equity here? 20. And there is 1 minus B. What is B? B stands for your retention. B is 90%. Hope you are clear? Yes. Now, so what is cost of equity? 20%. We can call it as 0.20. 0.90 into, again, what is this? R. R is equal to 0.12. Hope you are clear. Now, your R is equal to 0.12, and as per this, your earning is equal to 20, and as per this, your B is equal to 0.90. As per this, cost of equity is equal to how much it is? Cost of equity, it comes around 0.20. So these are the informations are available. Every problem, similarly, whatever is given in the formula, same thing write down here. 1 minus 0.90, you will get 0.10 into 20, you will get 2 rupee. Calculate this, multiply and minus, you will get 0.092. Your final answer 21.74. Similarly, earning will remain as it is, 1 as it is, B will change for 20%. B will change for 20. How? See, for 20% B is how much? 80%, 0.80. Yeah, 0.80 into 0.12. Multiply, you will get 4 rupee. You will get this minus this. You will get 0.094. Final answer 42.55. Similarly, do this calculation. Then you will get 6 rupee. Divide by this. The final answer 62.5. I am not explaining the concept. Why? Because you already know this. Again, same procedure. Final answer 81.63%. Now, we're done with up to 40%. Go back to 50%, 60%, 70%. Apply the formula. As per the formula, you have done calculation. Answer is 100. Answer is 117.65. 134.61. You can go one by one, like table you can do, or else without table also you can calculate. Now, so once we done with this one, your previous problem we completed. I'll show it once again. This is your question. So these are the formula you have to remember. Your solution part. Again, your solution part continuation. Your problem number 1. Now, we'll go to next problem now. As per this, what happens? Your rate of return, last problem it was only 1, rate of return was 20%, but 12%. But in this, we have 12%, we have 11%, and we have 20%. Total, we have 3. And this is for N and this is for G. S, G, N. So we have to do it for S also, we have to do it for N also, and we have to do it for G also. Now calculate the effect of dividend payout ratio using Gordon's model. If the dividend payout ratio is 10, 30, 1 minus B, so it will be 90%, 50% and 70%. We have to do it for 90, 50, 70, in the sense 10, 30 as well as your last one, it will be, yes, 10, 50 and 70. 10 and 30%. Now we are doing one by one. This is your formula. There is a same copy paste of your formula. your earning is 20, 1 minus B is 0.90, cost of equity 11, B into R, B is what? Same thing, R it is equal to 12%. We are doing all calculation for 12%, first one. So if you simplify, you will get 2 divided by 0.11 minus 0.108. Then you will get this one. Then your final answer, this. Hope you got this. How to do? Step number 1, step number 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, we'll go for 30% rate of return. What happens then? We have done for 10%. Next is 30. Next is 50. Now, this will be remain same. Only your 90 will become 70. 100 minus 30, how much? 70. So this will be your answer. Calculate, simplify, again simplify. Your final answer will be 230.77. Now, first one is done. Second one is over. Next we'll go for third one. 50% rate of return. Just apply the formula. 50% means it will become what? 100 minus 50. It will be what? Your 0.50. 100 also we call it as 100 also we call it as 1. 1 minus 0.50. After this calculation, simplify. Again simplify. Your final answer you got 200. Similarly, 70% rate of return. Your calculation, second calculation, third calculation, and your final answer. Hope you are clear. So we have done for all four. We have done for 10%, 30, 50, and 70. Similarly, what is your answer? For 10%, 1000. Where you got this? See, your first answer 1000, second answer 230, third answer 200, fourth answer 189. 1000, 230, 200 and 189. Next, we'll go for the second person N. How to calculate? Same procedure. We have to calculate for 10. We have to calculate for 30. We have to calculate for 50. And the last one, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total calculations are 4. Now, 10% rate of return, calculate this formula, second procedure, third procedure, and your final answer is 181.8. Similarly, first procedure, second procedure, third procedure, and your final answer 181.82. Now, 10% over, 30% over, now come for 50%. Your answer, second answer, third answer, and your final calculation. I am not explaining in detail. Why? Because you know that if you know the formula, replace, calculate step by step and write the final answer. Under dividend decision, it is the easiest one. Why? Because there is no further calculation, only one formula you are supposed to remember. Now, 70% rate of return, one formula, second formula, third formula, and final answer. This one, your first, second, third, fourth, and final answer. Similarly, last, we are doing G now, 10% over, 30% final answer, 311.11. While doing problem, remember, there is a first step, second step, third step, and fourth step. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. Like this we are supposed to do. Once you're done with this, all your final answers, you have to make it in a table. From N, these are the answer. From G, these are the answer. This much only you are supposed to do. Now I'll go back to all these slides. This one you will understand better only if you work out this problem. Now, this will be your question. There is answer part 1, answer part 2, answer part 3, answer, 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 yes, final answer. So please work out. There are 2 problems are there. Easiest one at home, without fail, work out at your home. Thank you.